prevailing in India. Mr. Anupam Jain, Dr. Anupam Jain, LBS PG College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now start your presentation, sir.
Yeah. My presentation is visible?
Yes, yes.
Visible, sir.
Visible.
Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. First of all, I am very much thankful to Prakash Divakaran for providing me this opportunity, and Dr. Surendra Pratap Singh Kothari, my colleague Bharat Parekh and Gaurav Saini ji. My topic today is various waste compost technique prevailing in India, because nowadays waste management is most important topic. Waste is becoming a greater danger to our planet. Every country in the world is facing a great problem in disposing waste, which is generated from different industries, livelihoods, houses, restaurants, hotels, and many other types of activities. Today, I am going to present various waste composing techniques prevailing in India. The waste is generated, catered from different sources like residential, industrial, commercial, institutional, construction sites, municipal services, processing or manufacturing, agriculture, etc. The waste from different sources are mainly in solid, liquid, and gas forms. Solid waste comprises of wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste is generally termed as biodegradable waste like food waste, vegetable waste, cooked or uncooked waste. The biodegradable waste is treated before its disposal, which will help us to reduce the size and weight. Compost converts the waste into useful soil nutrient, which can easily mixed with soil to make it more fertile and also add nutrients to the soil. I'm explaining the methods of various waste compost techniques prevailing in India. Number one is vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is conversion of wet waste into compost using special worms, red wigglers, earthworms in specially designed underground, overground pits. As the worm move and eat the biodegradable material and produces the casting through the digestive system. 60 to 90 days. I hope this diagram is showing vermicomposting. In vermicomposting, this first one is filled and unfilled beds used. Second one is many beds to convert, and third one is earthworm and red wigglers. It will take 60 to 90 days required to convert the organic waste into compost. 40 to 50% of the waste volume will be reduced in this process with good mixture content. Vermicompost is one of the cheapest method with no involvement of electricity. One of the drawbacks of vermicompost is that we cannot produce non-veg, oily food and spicy food. Next, we come to second technique, organic waste converter. Organic waste converter is a semi-mechanical method of composting. The method involves two basic systems, mixing and racking. The first one machine you are on the screen is machine view. This is machine view. Machine is OWC machine is this kind of machine. And next one is trays placed in curing racks. These are the trays which placed in curing racks. There are 4 steps involved in this compost system. Segregation of organic waste. Number 2, feeding the segregated waste in the mixture, just like this. Number 3, collecting the raw compost in the tray. And number 4, placing of the tray in curing racks. These are the curing racks shown in the diagram. After 10 days, compost is ready. This compost is ready in after 10 days. This process of composting requires a large space. It requires a large space. The composting of 50 kg to 500 kg organic waste can be done through this method. The waste reduces only 50%. The separate area is required and the space is kept out from the residential area. As the composting area have a bad color, bad odor, and it's also attracts flies, rats, and insect. The next technique is biogas. The next technique is biogas for waste composting. Another one of the old and conventional system, biomethane fiction or biogas plants. It gives two products. Biogas gives two kinds of products. Number one, methane, also known as biogas, and number two, compost. The fermentation time required is 20 to 30 days. The biogas produced can be used for cooking, lighting, and vehicle fuel. These the diagram shown in the this slide. Number one is metal biogas plant with crusher, filter, and booster pump, and number two is biogas plant to treat 1 ton to 500 ton waste per day. The biogas produced and biogas plant reduce the organic waste 80 to 90%. Fourth method is mechanical heating technology. The diagram shown in the picture is inside structure of the machine. This method is a high technological composter which normally converts organic waste to compost within 24 hours by using its special microorganism developed through advanced biotechnology. This mechanism is used to convert the organic waste into compost by evaporating the excess of water present in the organic material and adding little bioculture to convert the organic material into compost. This machine consists of number one, crusher, number two, decomposting tank with number three, drainage of gas moisturizer. The mechanical heating machine reduces the organic waste into compost to 80 to 90%. It requires a lot of electricity to run the crusher motor, mixer, and heating system. So these are the four compost techniques prevailing in India. Parameters for selecting compost techniques are broadly while choosing the composting technique, we have to check following points. Number one, the place where to install, treat the biodegradable waste. First of all, we have to decide the place that where we treat the biodegradable waste. Second one is volume reduction of the waste. Number third, the biodegradable waste available per day. Number four, operation and maintenance. Number five, quality of the compost. Number six, odor and smell. It should not create foul smell in surrounding atmosphere. Technique must be safe for environment. And number seven, investment public cost. Must have low cost as treating the waste. Must not burden on anyone, easily affordable. These are the points while selecting the compost technique. And I have already discussed four techniques prevailing in India. Now, conclusion. Compost is the best way to reduce the organic waste of the municipal, residential garden, apartments, restaurants, hotels, mess, and other institutes. Industries producing the organic waste, even government of different countries are now making laws for the bulk waste generators to treat the waste at their place and convert the organic waste into compost. And to use the compost in the garden or nearby areas. In this presentation, I have discussed the various techniques to convert the organic waste into compost. This presentation will help the small bulk waste generator to select or choose the appropriate method of composting depending on the space to install the composting units, quantity of the organic waste to be treated daily, quality of the compost generated. This will help a lot in solving the waste dumping problem of the country. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anupam sir, very nice.
Thank you. Thanks you. Yes, Kothari ji. You are muted. Please unmute yourself, Kothari ji.
Okay, you can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Just I will ask, ये जो आपने अभी वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का जो बताया है, ये कितना परसेंट सक्सेसफुल है, ये बताएं हम बस।
ये मैंने आपको बताया, 4 टेक्निक मैंने आपको बताई, वर्मी कंपोस्ट, ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट कन्वर्टर, थर्ड वन इज बायोगैस एंड मैकेनिकल हीटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी। सबका अपना अपना फीचर्स है कन्वर्जन का। जो आपका वर्मी कंपोस्ट है वो 50% वॉल्यूम को वेस्ट क्लियर करता है। जो OWC है, जो सेकंड टेक्निक मैंने आपको बताई, सेकंड टेक्निक जो है वो 50% रिड्यूस करती है, जो बायोगैस है वो 80 to 90% तक रिड्यूस करती है, और जो मैकेनिकल हीटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है वो 90% तक वेस्ट को रिड्यूस करती है।